Welcome all of you to another video of Maths Made Easy. Okay, now in this video I'm going to take up logarithms of ninth ICSE. Okay, so quite an easy chapter, you'll see as I proceed. Okay, so the first thing is, what is logarithms? Logarithms is nothing but a very simple way. These days we have calculators, we have computers, but then before this, when these things were not widely used, at that time logarithms used to help in doing long calculations. So it is just a way of doing long calculations. Okay, so ICSE has still this chapter is still there in the syllabus, but then actually logarithms has become little out of date now. So logarithms is no longer required because we have computers and calculators. Okay, so anyway, let us see what exactly it is. 4 cube is equal to 64. 4 into 4, okay, into 4, that is a 64. Now if we use logs, then we will say log 64 to the base 4 is equal to 3. Okay, now here this is log 64 to the base 4. Now if you see, we used to get log tables. Okay, we used to get log tables just like you have your trigonometrical values, sine, cos, tan values. Similarly, we used to have log tables. Okay, we still have log tables, and in that log table, if you check for log 4, what is the value of log 6, for base 4, what is the value of log 64, you will get value 3. So all the values, log 64, 65, 65.6, like that, all values, logs of all values are given in that table. So if we just check that table, we can get the values. Okay, anyway, so let us proceed with it. There are some rules of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division of logs. With the help of that, we'll do the chapter very easily. Okay, so let us start. So supposing we have a to the power b is equal to c, then it is log c base a is equal to b, like this. Okay, so a to the power b is equal to c. It goes like that. So here we have 4 questions we have to express in the logarithmic form. Okay, so here log 125 base 5, this base only becomes here base, is equal to 3. Okay, here log 1 by 9 base 3 is equal to minus 2. Log 27 base 81 is 3 by 4. Log 0.001 base 10 is equal to minus 3. Here we have express in exponential form. So how to? This is the opposite of what we just did. Express in logarithmic and express in exponential is just the opposite. So we are going to do this. Okay. And 10 to the power minus 2. Whatever is written here becomes the base here also in the exponents. And 0.01. This comes to the right. So find the log of 100 to the base 10. That is, we are supposed to write it like this. Now here this is something new for you all. 100 10 square base 10. This 2 will come in front like this. The power comes up in front. Log 10 base 10. Now when these two things are same, the base and the log of whichever number, then it becomes a 1. So log a to the base a is always a 1. So this is 2. Similarly, log 1 by 16 to the base 4. This is log 4 to the power minus 2, right, to the base 4. Okay, I tried to keep them equal, which is equal to minus 2 log 4 base 4, which is minus 2. Okay. Now here find x. So log x to the base 3. Again I'll use the same rule, that is equal to x. So x is equal to 1. Here these are very simple questions. 7 square is 2x square minus 1, which is 49, which is 2x square minus 1. Okay, so 2x square is equal to 50, x square is equal to 25, then x is equal to plus minus 5. Okay. Now here I have a question expressed in terms of x and y. What do we express? You have to express this and this. There are two different ones. From this I can write 2 to the power m is equal to x. Okay. Now if I look at this, 2 to the power m minus 3 is 2 to the power m by 2 to the power 3, which is equal to 2 to the power m is a x and 2 to the power 3 is 8. So it is x by 8. Now if I see this and if I see this, 5 to the power n is y. Now if I see this, 5 to the power 3n plus 2, which is 5 to the power 3n 5 square, which is 25, and 5 to the power 3n is y cube. Okay. Now here two things are given and they said express 72a in terms of x and y, and this is given to us. From this we can write 2 to the power a is x. Yeah, we are writing this. This is not given. 3 to the power a is equal to y. Okay, this is what we found from this. Okay, we converted to the exponential form. Now 72a can be written as 8 into 9, because I am seeing 2 and 3 here. That's why I made it 8 into 9a, which is 2 cube a into 3 square a, right? So x is what? 2a, 2 to the power a is x. So if I write it like this, two to the power a is, so this is x cube into y, x cube into y square. That is the final answer. So we have expressed 72 in terms of x and y. Okay, all we have to do is keep the 3 outside, 2a, and 2a we are going to substitute from here. So x cube y square. So we have to solve this. Okay, solving means find the value of x. So log x minus 1, x plus 1. Now here I want to tell log a plus log b, okay, is equal to log a into b. So exactly this I am using here, which is equal to log 1 base 2. So this is log x square minus 1 is log 1 base 2. Now log 1 is always 0 and log x square minus 1. Okay. Therefore, x square minus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to plus minus 1. Now here they have given us different question. If log x square minus 21 is 2, show that x is equal to plus minus 11. Okay, now what to do? Log x square minus 21 is equal to log 100, because 2 is log 100. Okay, how is it log 100? Let me show. Log 100 base 10 can be written as log 10, here 10 and 10 square, which is 2 log 10 base 10. Now since it is log 10 base 10, this becomes 1, which is equal to 2. Okay, so this is log 100, therefore is a 2. So now x square minus 21 is 100. X square is equal to, if log a is equal to log b, then a is equal to b. I applied that. 121, x is plus minus 11. Okay, so here we have express in terms of log 2 and log 3. What do we do? Log 12 into 3, that is log 36, which is log 4 into 3 into 3. Okay, can we write 2 log 2, that is for 4, okay, plus 2 log 3, because it is 3 square, log plus log 3 square, 2 log 3. Now this is the answer. We can't prove any further. So 2 log 2 plus 2 log 3, the question told us express in terms of log 2 and log 3. So I have expressed it in terms of log 2 and log 3. So if you are not following, let me do one more step. Maybe it will be easier. Log 2 into 3, 4 into 3 square, log 4 plus log 3 square, which is 2 log 2 plus 2 log 3. This is actually what I did. Okay, because log A into B is log A plus log B. That is why I used this over here. I went from this side to this side. Just check. Okay, we'll now do log 4.5. Log 4.5, which is log 9 by 2, which is log, okay, which is equal to log 9 minus log 2, okay, which is equal to, this is 3 square, so 2 log 3 minus log 2. Again we got it in terms of log 2 and log 3. Now what have I used here? Log A by B is log A minus log B. This is the division rule of logarithms. This is the multiplication rule. Okay, so let's do this sum now. We have to free from logarithm, express free from logarithm. So first we'll make it log x square minus log y. You see how easy it is actually. You know a few rules, you can do these sums. 1 log, again using that division rule, okay, 1. So this is not base, remember, this is the denominator, okay, which is equal to log 10, because log 10 is equal to 1. So x square by y is equal to 10 is my answer. So here is a question, prove this expression, that is this part is equal to log 2. How do we start? First we will just stop looking at that. Left hand side, okay, 2 log 15 minus, this is 2, this 2 will come for both, log 18 minus log 25. Now plus, why plus? Because it would have become minus log 162, but then with this minus, plus log 162, okay, plus log 4 minus log 9, okay, that is equal to 2 log 5 into log 5 plus log 3. This is coming from the multiplication rule, minus 2 log 9 plus log 2 minus 2 log 5 plus log 81 into 2 plus 2 log 2 minus 2 log 3. Now here we still need to work, okay, 2 log 5 plus 2 log 3 minus 2 log 9 minus log 2 log 2. I am just opening the brackets. Minus 2 log 5 plus, this is 2 log 9 only for the 81 plus log 2 plus 2 log 2, because I have to take little bit shortcuts. If I start writing 9 square and all, my sum is, because for every step I have to repeat all this, so it becomes very long. So in order to do that shortcut, I have done some shortcut over here. 9 square made this and the log 2 went like that, minus 2 log 3. Now let me check it once. 2 log 9, 2 log 9, plus and minus cancelled, minus 2 log 2 plus 2 log 2, okay, 2 log 3 and a minus 2 log 3. See, if you are doing it correctly, all these will come and correctly. Here, this goes with this, 2 log 5 minus 2 log 5. What is left is only log 2, which is the right hand side. So you have to be little careful in this, not difficult, and you should not panic on seeing this question, okay. Only thing is, if you work it out very neatly, okay, don't try to save paper here, work out very neatly and you are definitely going to get these answers. So this is log 2. Now this question says it has given us the value of log 2 and log 3 and find log 12. So this is log 4 into 3, which is 2 log 2 plus log 3, which is 2 into 0.3010 plus log 3 0.4771, which is 0.602 plus 0.4771, which is equal to 1.0791. Okay, so this is the answer for log 12 if these values are given. So x is equal to 100 to the power a, y is equal to 10,000 to the power b, z is equal to 10 to the power c. Find this. Okay, in terms of a, b, c, log 10 root y x square z cube, which is equal to log 10 root y minus log x square z cube. Okay, now we'll just go on expanding. Log 10 plus half log y. I hope you understood why it is half log y, because it is to the root, square root, minus 2 log x. Okay, and then plus minus 3 log z. Okay, 2 log x minus 3 log z. Now log 10 is a 1 plus half log y. Half log y is, in place of y, if I put 10,000 to the power b, then it becomes b by 2 log 10,000 minus 2 log x, that is 2a log 100. I am just substituting x here, so the a comes because a was in the power, it came in front, minus 3 log z is 10 to the power c. Okay, yeah, I have to work on that. I can say 3c log 10. Okay, 1 plus b by 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I can say 1 plus b by 2 into 4, because 1, 2, 3, 4. Log 10 is a 1, log 100 is a 2, log 1000 is a 3, because this becomes 10 to the power 4. So log, this is 10 to the power 4, which is 4 log 10, 4 into 1, so 4, minus 2a into 2 minus 3c, which is, this is 2, 1 plus 2b minus 4a minus 3c. Okay, so these were few of the types of logs expressed in 2 and 3, expressed as logs, expressed as exponents. When the values are given, get the value of that. Okay, how do we simplify and prove the right hand side? All these are types in your logs chapter. So these were the types. Now if you see this video and after that if you do the exercise, you will be able to attempt all the sums. Okay, so that's it for today. If you have liked the video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and also leave a comment behind. I would love to read your comments and know what exactly you want, where your difficulty lies. Please check the playlist. You'll find lots of other videos in the playlist. There's a separate playlist for ICSE maths, and there are playlists for Selina also separately. Okay then, bye all of you.